Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to load and unload a Canon AE-1 program. The first thing we'll have to do is to put in a battery. So we're just gonna open the screw here, take this off. This opens the battery compartment like this. And we have to take one of those little 6-volt photo batteries. Just pop it in right here. Close the compartment again, and now the camera is ready to fire, which is important if we want to load the film. So next off, you're gonna flip this lever up right here and just take it out a little bit. The back is gonna open automatically. Take your roll of film, open this up too, take it all the way out, put your film in, close it again, just like that, and then you're gonna take your film tip and put it right in here. There's a little slot. There's an arrow kind of marking the direction the film tip has to go. Just put it in like this, and then that's why we put in the battery, so we can actually fire the shutter and just load the film like this. Make sure that it's kind of nice and tight and snug. This is a test roll, so I'm just kind of presenting to you. Sorry, what you're supposed to do. Make sure that it's kind of gripping right here and that it's nice and tight and snug. Like this, looks perfect to me. And just close the back and you're good to go. After you've successfully finished shooting your roll, you want to rewind the film back into the canister. So flip your camera around, push this little button in like that, and then open this lever up once again, and you will see that there's a arrow indicating the direction in which you have to reel it. So we're just going to follow that, and hopefully you're going to be feeling a little bit of pressure or resistance. And once you have fully rewound the roll back into the canister, you will feel that there's almost no resistance anymore. So that means you have successfully reeled it in. And now we do the same as before. We just open up the back like this. And here's our canister, and you're just gonna pop it out, get it developed or develop it yourself. And yeah, I hope this was helpful to you. I hope I was able to show you how to load and unload film from a Canon AE-1 and how to put in the battery. Obviously the battery cover goes back on here, but I'm gonna take the battery out because I will sell this camera. But yeah, have fun everybody, go out, shoot some film. Take care, subscribe to the channel, stay tuned for more, and yeah, all the best to you. Thanks for spending the time.